Hey everyone, what's up? My name is Pedro, and today I want to give you some tips on how you can improve your workflow by using snippets in Raycast. I'm going to show you how we can create a snippet, how we can browse snippets, and finally, how we can expand them. So let's jump right in. Open up Raycast by pressing your Raycast hotkey. Then we're going to search for the create snippet command. This one is going to be nice and simple, but super useful, and that's just our email address. So let's call it email. And in the snippet content, we'll put in our email address. And in the keyword field, we're going to put in exclamation mark followed by the @ sign. That's just personally what I use, but feel free to change this to whatever makes sense to you. And there is also an organization drop-down that allows you to share this snippet with your team. We can now create the snippet by pressing Command Enter. So to test this out, I'm going to open up Floaty Notes. And in here, I'm just going to type in my email address is, followed by our keyword. And notice how the keyword got expanded with the email address. Now let's have a look at how we can use placeholders in our snippet to make them a bit more dynamic. So let's go ahead and create a new snippet. And we'll call this one Feedback Thanks. And in the snippet content, let's just write a nice little message thanking our users for their feedback. Now we can click on the Add Placeholder button and add a cursor. And for the keyword, let's just say exclamation mark FT for feedback thanks. Now notice how when we expand the snippet, the cursor automatically moved up to the placeholder. So now we can just type in our user's name and we're ready to go. Let's make one more edit to our snippet. I'd like to let users know that feedbacks can take 1 week to be addressed. We could of course say, we'll get back to you next week, but instead we can use the day placeholder along with day offsets to say something like, a team member will get back to you before day plus 7 days, which essentially means 7 days from today. So now we can expand that snippet again and see how that placeholder gets replaced with Tuesday. You can learn more about placeholders and how offsets work on manual.raycast.com. And that's how you create snippets in Raycast. Follow these exact same steps to create as many snippets as you need. But let me leave you with some ideas.